Francis. This is 5J553 and we are all bound for Mactan, Cebu. And only guests bound for Mactan, Cebu must be aboard. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ito ang Cebu Pacific, lipad bilang 5J553 patungong Mactan, Cebu. Mangyari po lamang na tawagin ang very important to us. Recent scientific research supports that in-flight transmission of COVID is very low or virtually non-existent for everyone.